Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about privacy, and specifically privacy for when you're camping in your Tesla, whether you're sleeping in the back, have it at a campground, or just want some additional privacy wherever you park it. Me and my family went camping a few weeks ago. I'll have a link to that video down in the description, and we used our Tesla Gen 2 tent to camp in the Tesla. We slept in the back here. One thing I really wished I had was the privacy screens for all the passenger windows around the car. I had a privacy screen for the windshield, but I didn't have any around the car, and I really desired that. I wish I would have had them before going camping. So my friends over at Basenor sent me out a set of their 7-piece window privacy screens. So I wanted to share that unboxing with you guys today. We'll go over how to install them, and let's go get into it. So moving right into the unboxing, first off, the 7-piece window shade kit comes in its nice carrying case. I love that. I love having things organized and just kind of neat, especially when I'm storing a bunch of crap to go camping and keeping it in the car. Unzipping this, you get into a few different rolled up ones. So let's open up these first. This one is specifically for your back windows, your left and right rear passenger windows. You get 2 of those. Let's see the other rolled up one back in here. This one is for your rear hatchback cover, your rear window shade on the Model Y. So you open that up, and it's kind of a double-sided one, and that kind of fits right up in there. Let's see. You get 2 of these little tiny triangle ones, which fit right behind your passenger front and your passenger rear passenger windows to help kind of block just a little bit more sunlight there. And then last, from the top here, you get 2 shades for your front and rear, or your front passenger and driver's side windows. So let's go take a look at what it takes to install these. There's 2 different ways to install them. You can install them from the outside, kind of close your door on them, or from the inside. So we'll show you both of those as we get into it. So I'm on the front passenger side of the car here, and I want to see what it looks like installing one of these from the outside. So if you open up the window, kind of hold it on there. As you close it, it should just kind of cinch it all up in there for you. So see what happens. Just like that. It's sealed in there. You got a little bit of excess kind of caught up in between the window, but that's a great way to install it from the outside. Let's go take a look at what that looks like from the inside. And from the inside, you can see it covered really well. There's little tiny gaps around it, but I think you get really good privacy installing them from the outside. So let's show the other method of how you can install these window shades, and that's from the inside of the car. This is actually the way I prefer to do it. Especially when you're camping and you already have kind of access to the inside, some of your stuff's here. It's really easy to just pop these in. Take your front window screen or wherever you are in the car, kind of just mangle it up into the front and the rear. And the metal kind of spring in there keeps it nice and secure. I would trust that for a few days. You kind of just tuck it in the edges, and that looks great. I think you get really good privacy right there, right then and there. So that's the way that I would do it. Let's do the rears and see how they fit. So here we are in the back of the car. Let's go ahead and try to install the 2 passenger side rear window covers and see how they work out. I got the little tiny triangle one first. Let's see how it sticks back up in here. Line it up, make sure it's facing the right way. Looks like that's the correct way. Just cinches right in. Perfect fit. Plenty of privacy. I love that. And let's try this other window shade for the back here. Make sure we have it going the right way with a long kind of flap down towards your front side. Couldn't be easier. I think you get plenty of privacy. You can unfold all these little areas to make sure they're covering all the gaps. Perfect. Great. That's exactly what we were looking for. Something super quick. Let that take 2 seconds to pop it up in the window. Really nice product. And the last one I want to show, again, super simple to install. Wider end goes towards the top, or I guess the front of your final windscreen. And if you want to pop it in, I like to do this rear end first, kind of tuck it back up in there, down in the little gap, and then stick these 2 up against the sides. And you're good to go. Overall, I couldn't be happier with these side window shades from Basenor. I think they do a really great job providing that privacy you want when you're Tesla camping, or when you just need that extra privacy around your car. If you're going to park it for a long time, you don't want anyone peering in. These are great, super easy to install. You saw they installed in just a few minutes, sometimes just a few seconds, depending on how you want to install them. And they're great. They really block all the view into the car. I think that's an excellent feature. Super quick to set up, cost effective, and a really great product. I want to do a quick shout out to Basenor for partnering with me on this product. I really enjoy working with them. They have some great products that I purchased myself when we first got the Tesla, found them easily on Amazon, great reviews. I'd love to get a link in the description to my original video where I went over several of their accessories and how great they've been in the car. So check that out in the description if you want. But thanks for coming back to the channel. Thanks for checking it out. I appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you later.